festival. Tama yata. Pina Festival. Pero later on, mamibigay daw si Mayor ng trivia. Season na niya.
So once again, ang bayan!
Parang may narinig ako ang bayan flow. Ang bayan flow. Yes, and for our visitors,
Kaway-kaway
we have the Hidden Paradise dun sa Hundungan. We have the Matigisildo. Sa ating Bangkok on Ectagnacol that was previously awarded as one of the greatest in the Philippines. Famous rivers. Yes.
Malayo pa lang.
Ayun, kasi
Kita.
kitang-kita. From the
Santa Marcela!
Yes, under the leadership of the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Evelyn Barcelona Martinez, and Vice Mayor, Honorable Ronnie Yang. And together with them is, or the holding the banner, are the candidates for the
Taer and Dayag
Yes.
of Apayao.
masasabi
But
dahil
parang nakikita ko na may isang dyan. Hindi taga Santa Marcela ata to.
nalipat na siya ng
Nalipat?
West
Ay,
Hills.
nalipat na po ba?
Acknowledging the, kaya